4. I have 2 tens and 3 ones.
Say that again. How many ones do you have?
2 tens and 3 ones.
3 ones? Oh, you're blue, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And how many does that make altogether?
23.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 2 tens and 7 ones.
Which makes a total of.
27.
So how many more do you need to get another 10?
3. And she got 3.
And she's got 3.
And then
I have 2 tens and 6 ones. That makes 26.
2. 1, 2. I have 2 tens and 9 ones.
And how many is that?
29.
So what's going to happen on your next roll?
I will get a 10.
Okay. You think you'll get a 10 on this one?
Could.
How many would you have to roll to get?
4.
Oh, okay.
I have 2 tens and 7 ones, and I have 27.
1.
Oh, 1. So you need
I have 3 tens and 0 ones, which equals 30.
So how many more do you need to win?
20.
20. And that's how many 10s?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 tens and 2 ones. That was easy.
3. 1.
Oh my goodness.
We go so fast.
1, 2, 3. I have 3 tens and 3
Wasn't
ones.
he on one?
No.
Remember, he made a 10
Oh, yeah.
last time.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 tens and 6 ones, which makes 36.
So who is winning right now? Why is she winning?
Because she has 6 and I have 3.
Who has more 10s?
We're equal.
Okay.
And she just has 1,
36.
2. 1, 2. I have 3 tens and 5 ones.
Oh, Skylar, you gotta be careful. Oh, here it is. It came back over here. So try and roll it and keep it right here on the table.
Okay.
Okay.
1. I have 3 tens and 7 ones, and I have 37.
Can you get another 10 on this roll?
Yes.
How many do you have to roll?
5.
Okay.
We keep getting 1.
I know you keep getting small numbers.
Wait, say what you got.
I have 3 tens and 6 ones. 6.
I have 4 tens and 3 ones, and that makes 40.
Okay, so
I can still do it.
you can. How many more do you need to?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay,
7, but you can't roll a 7.
that's right.
So I can either get a 1 and then be able to get a 6 and get a 10 and then win, or I can roll just a 6 or I can just roll, since I'm on 3, well, I can roll a 6 and go to 9 and then get a bigger, and then maybe if I get a bigger number, I can just still get a 10 and win.
Do you think you have a chance to win?
No.
Why?
I need 2 more tens.
And you're on what number?
6.
6. So you need 2 more 10s? Or you need how many more? You need 1 10 and how many ones?
I need 4 tens to get the 0, and then I need a 6 and a 4.
Okay, say that again. You need how
4
many?
ones. And
4
then
ones. So yeah, another 10, and and then you need
a 6, and then I need to roll 4.
to make another 10. Okay, well, let's see.
Oh my goodness. Keep rolling 1.
Oh,
And she keeps it. 5.
Oh, yeah.
yeah. So how many do you have now?
I have 4 tens and 8 ones.
Oh, and you need how many more to make a 10?
I need
2. Okay, well, let's see what you get.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
okay.
Hold on, how many do you
I
have?
have 4 10s and 2 1s.
What do you hope she rolls?
1.
Why?
Because she can only roll 1 and then another 3.
1, 2, 3. I have 5 tens and 1, and that makes 51. And I won, and I don't know why I keep saying
So if you had a chance to roll again, do you think you could get 50 on this roll?
No. Because I would roll. If I would, if I could have rolled a 6, I would have stopped here, and then she could have rolled.
you could have gone here and gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you could have,
And then it would have been your turn.
yeah, and I would go and maybe I would probably
But you're already past 50, so if he has one last turn to make it to 50, can he do that?
No, but if he was on 3, he would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that could count because it's
Could it? Or that means you made another. So, we have a winner. Okay. How many more did you need to catch up with her?
I was
here.
Right there.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
I would have needed, she's right here, I would have needed a 6.
You would need a 6 to get here, and how many more to get another 10?
2.
2.
And she would
Okay.
need to roll 1, and then I would have won. Then she would have rolled 1.
Congratulations. Maybe next time you'll roll higher numbers.
I kept on getting 1.